Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. As you can see, we are in the most beautiful city in the world, Sevilla. My name is Teun and I'm main tour guide at Andalucia Tours and Discovery. I'm gonna show you a day at the office, so if you were wondering what we're doing every day here in Seville, showing you the most beautiful city in the world, then stay tuned. Let's go. First, always take a heavy breakfast because I need all the energy today to do the tours. And live in Bermajales, which is a neighborhood outside the city center, which also makes me bike 20 minutes to work. So there is a lot of movement always. Let's go to the shopping. So on my way to work I passed by this little fella, football stadium of Real Betis. What I also then find a lot is traffic lights, unfortunately. My trip tends to take 20 minutes, using the bike lanes as you see, and also passing by a lot of beautiful buildings like the ones of Aníbal González. So normally, as you can see, you can find my name on the board for your guide of today, but you can also sometimes find me in the shop helping my colleagues to make everything in order for tomorrow, making the reservations in order, and working at the back for my personal projects. I'm going to show you the back in a second. So the rest of the morning you'll find me in the back working on my personal projects or creating content and videos like these to show you what we do every day at Andalucia Tours and Discovery. Well, for the rest of the morning I'm just cleaning bikes, making sure that you have a nice and clean bike the day after when you're coming with me on a bike tour. My main job is to lead the daily tour, stalking 3,000 years of history in 3 hours to show you the most beautiful places of Sevilla and the biggest monuments. By bike we do this normally, which is the best way to go around Sevilla because we have great infrastructure and it takes you past all these most beautiful places in the fewest time possible. So as you have seen, daily tour is the best way to enjoy the city with friends and family, to enjoy the weather, to enjoy the history and culture of our city Sevilla. 3, 2, 1, patata! So besides the bike tours in and around Seville, what I also do is tours walking in the Barrio Santa Cruz, the Jewish neighborhood of Sevilla, which gives me more diversity in my work, as well as turning more into details because I have 2 hours to do the whole tour in the Barrio Santa Cruz, although I take 3 hours to show the center on bike. So it gives you the difference in time spectrum which I have. Also having more time to talk with the clients about everything they want to know, and so that's great for my work as well. The incredible narrow streets of the Barrio Santa Cruz don't give us the opportunity to tour this neighborhood with bike, but it gives me the opportunity to stand for 1 second at least in the shadow because, you know, the heat in Seville is unbearable in summer. That's also why I'm wearing a cap and doing my work. So guys, thank you all for watching this video. This was my life as a tour guide at Andalucia Tours and Discovery in Seville. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. It's incredibly hot. I just arrived home, so you know, I'm just gonna do a siesta. Hasta luego.